Today we are going to use this tool created by MJKA that I found on Thingiverse to measure the amount of wear on a few different bicycle chains. There are lots of different tools on the market that can take this reading, but I really thought this one looked cool, so let's give it a try. Here it is, fresh out of the printer. You can find the link to the creator's Thingiverse in the description below. To use it, just insert the prongs in between the chain links like this. Next, pinch these two boxes together and watch the dial indicator move. The needle will indicate your approximate wear percentage. Each line is approximately 0.25% wear. It seems this chain is so worn out, it's maxing out the tool's gauge. I already knew this chain was super worn out, so I'm not too surprised with this reading. In comparison to the worn out chain is this new one, fresh out of the box, and as you can see here, it's giving us a reading of 0% wear, which is what we would expect. These are the two extreme bounds of the tool, so let's take a look at some other random chains and their readings. This is an older chain and it's maxing out the scale. This one indicates about 0.25% wear. This bike hasn't seen much use, so I trust the reading. Finally, this one indicates about 0.5% wear, which is also believable. The chain is probably 20 years old and hasn't been used much. This is good and all, but it brings up a good question. At what percentage wear should I replace my chain? Park-Tool provides the following data set. Basically, the more gears your bike has, the shorter the life of the chain. If you don't have a tool to measure with, you can generally tell when a chain is starting to go out if you experience poor shift performance. Random go shifts, especially when going over bumpy terrain or under heavy load, is a good indication that the chain should be replaced as soon as possible. Visible wear on the chain rings and/or cassette/freewheel is another indicator. You can see the damage done to this cassette by a worn out chain. Good thing it wasn't too expensive to replace. Thank you MJKA for making this nifty wear gauge, and hopefully this video can be of help to a few people out there. See you later.